Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Banking or Balance tab. This section shows your available Cash App balance and gives you access to transfer options. Next, tap the Cash Out button. Cash App will then ask you to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Type the amount you would like to transfer from your Cash App balance and then tap Cash Out again to continue. After that, you will be asked to choose a deposit speed. Cash App usually provides two options. The first option is instant deposit. This sends the money immediately to your linked debit card, but a small fee may apply. The second option is standard deposit. This option is free and transfers the money to your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Select the option that works best for you. Once you make your selection, review the transfer details carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction to complete the transfer. After the transfer is confirmed, Cash App will process your withdrawal according to the deposit speed you selected. You can also use a cash card to withdraw cash from supported ATMs if you have one connected to your account. Thanks for watching.